open the video, right, Bo? Because I
Yes,
shared the video. I mean, shared the folder to you via the SharePoint. So I believe you can open that. Yeah. Mm.
yes, I have downloaded and
Oh,
can
okay. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. So okay. So can you see my screen, Bo?
wait a second.
Yeah.
Okay, I can see.
Okay. Good. So okay. So today we will go through the other functions. Contacts. Okay, multiple opportunity is the one that we customize. It's a customized entity for Spiral Circle. So basically, it's like a project. You can link different opportunities into the same project. Yeah. Say for example, I have a project. I need to do quotation for 3 different customer. I can create 3 different opportunities and link these 3 to this one project. So it's like a one to n relationship. Yeah, so it's very similar, but later I will show you. But it's a very easy one. There's no process, there's no business process. It's just a so-called entity that the user can enter data, can link the opportunity together. Yeah, okay. Then competitor is like other companies, right? So similar companies but doing the same business, our competitors. So it's one of the entities we are using as well. Assign and share, I think we already went through, right? On Tuesday, I already showed you how to assign and share. And when we assign or share, the system will send a system email to the users to notify the people that someone has shared or assigned a record to you. Yeah, so I think this one already done. So let me just do this. Okay, Walk the Plant is a customized entity for Spiral Circle. Okay, so it's you can think that this is a visit report. Means that after I visit the customer, I need to write some report for what I have discussed with the customer, what I have seen in their factories, in their plant, what I have heard from the customer. So I can write a report. So it's just like a place that they can write the summary of the discussion with the customer after the visit. Yeah, so it's not difficult. I think there's no business process inside. It's just an entity that they can enter the report. But this one will be like a one-to-end relationship with the customer. It means that one customer you can have 5 work the plan report, 10 work the plan report. Yeah, so the customer is compulsory. It's like the leads or opportunity. When you enter opportunity, you must enter the customer account, right? Then you can enter the rest of the information for the opportunity. So work the plan is the same. The customer is the master. Then under the customer, you can have multiple work the plan reports. Yeah, okay. Then we have also have other Steam Asset. Steam Asset is our Spiral Cycle products. So, okay, boiler house, Steam Assets, ESSETS, Steam Assets. Yeah. So if you see the system here, it's like we have multiple opportunities. We have Steam Assets, right? Work the plan is here. So this is purely our products. So when they do the work the plant, they can actually enter the boiler house, they can enter boilers or the other products. If they see these products in the customer side or they see these products at customer factories or plant, then they can record this one and adding to the work the plant reports. Yeah, and this one can also be added in the customer account. Say for example, you open customer account, right? I can see this. Okay, Thailand customer already in. Sorry, this is Myanmar. Okay, if you see, okay, if I open customer, I can see a Steam asset in here. I can adding the boiler house. I can adding other Steam asset inventories. Yeah, so it's very easy. Okay, this one, the form is very easy. If you just like adding the new Steam asset, it's just like a very easy form. It's a very simple form. It's just like this. Who is the manufacturer? This one is from the competitor list because normally because there's no other entities we can link. So we link the manufacturer with a competitor entity. Then product this is product group. Then you can choose from the drop down list. It's already there. Quantity 1 or 2. I mean, or any quantities. And the owner is the person that entering this. So it's very easy form. It's not very difficult. Yeah. So in the training, maybe you want to show like how to enter a Steam asset, how to enter a Steam asset inventory. It's just like this. This already pre-populated all the products we are using. So these 6 products and the Steam asset inventories. So any product they can just add like this. Yeah. So it's the same. Okay. For the Steam asset here, we have a boiler house. Okay, I can show you how to add the boiler house. So there's a new boiler house button. They can just go in and it's like a quick create menu. Then you can just enter location. Yeah, location 1. So then this one you can just show the what building compound reference. Yeah, so just some reference number. Right. So reference number is 001, room location. So this should be the one that they understand. The sales engineer should understand. Access restriction. I don't know what is this. So it's like how can you access to the location? Do you need to report to the site, or do you need a photo ID to exchange your pass, or do you need appointment and only ID required? So this is just the drop down list you can choose. Yeah, so the account will be automatically populated because I'm creating the boiler house from this custom account. Yeah, so then I save and close. So I can see this one is here, boiler house. Yeah, so you can open the boiler house. So boiler house is more on the technical information. You can see these are all the technical information. The condensate return, this percentage. Yeah, so you do not need to understand this, but you can just show the field like here. But they should understand because these are all related to the spiral cycle products. Yeah. Okay. Under boiler house, you can still add the boilers. Okay, boiler house is like the house, right? Under the very big house, you can adding other components like boilers. Boilers maybe like small components and the feed tank and the steam header. So this is just a relationship. Yeah, you do not need to explain too much, but in the training, you can just show them how to do this, how to create. Yeah, you need to show them how to create the boiler house, then boilers. Boilers is under boiler house. Then they can add in more technical information. So it means that one boiler house is a big one. Under the boiler house, you can have 5 boilers, you can have 7 boilers. Yeah, so it's okay. You do not need to understand the technical things. This is just our products. Yeah, so then you can then from here you can add new boilers, you can add new feed tanks, steam headers. These are all the products that we are using. Yeah, you can see these are all the technical information, right? It's not about CIM standard entities. It's like the size, the steam header tag, the number of outlets, number of inlets. So it's more for our products. Yeah, so yeah, you just need to show them how to enter this, how to create this. Okay, so okay, maybe I show you an example of boiler house. I think it's interesting to see that one. Give me a moment. Let me find out this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
For
yeah,
steam
yes.
asset or boiler house,
Mm.
it is a product entity on a CRM.
It's not a product. Okay, you can say it's an entity, but I'm not sure we should say this is a product entity. It's not a product entity. It's just an entity. Yeah, it's just an entity that link to the customer account.
That means we
Yeah.
have create a boiler for each account, right?
Yes, we have to create the boiler house for each account. Then under boiler house, you can create the boilers. Yeah, I show you a photo. You can see this photo. This is a boiler house, a very big one. So if you open the door, you go inside, you will see different boilers. Small one. Yeah, this is boiler house. House is like a bigger one. House, right? Your home is like a house. But you open the house, you go in, you can see different asset, which is here that you can see. Okay, I'm creating a boiler house. And the boiler house, I can have boilers, I can have feed tank, I can have steam headers, like this one. Yeah, you understand the concept. So it's like the bigger one is the house, small one is boilers and other components. Yeah, but you do not need to explain to them this kind of product. They already understand, but you just need to show them how to create this, because they do not know how to do this, how to enter a boiler house, how to enter boilers. Yeah. So then if they already enter boilers, they can just go into the boiler menus here. Then you can see all the boilers here, all the feed tanks are here. Yeah. So this is standard one. Okay. Any questions about it? I think this will be new to you, because this is our specialized products and customized entities in CRM for Spirasaco. Yeah, but maybe you want to later go back. You want to like take a look and maybe review this. Yeah, before the actual trainings. But it's not difficult. There's no business process. There's no business rules. It's just entities that allow the user to enter records. Yeah. Okay. So boiler house, yeah. And you can also enter. Okay, let me show you the work the plan. The work the plan is here. Work the plan is under sales. So-called a sales module here. Work the plan. It's also a very easy one. You can see these are all the active work the plan report. So when you want to create a new one, you can go to new, right? So you basically open the work the plan form. So you can see the customer account is compulsory. So we have to choose a customer account first. So it's like a one-to-end relationship. So I choose this Nestle Singapore one. I choose account. I can also choose a contact. Yeah. So the contact will be basically from this customer account. So yeah, you can choose. Then you give a report number, work the plan reference number. So say 001 -R1, something like that. It's a free text. They can enter any. Okay. So then this is the place that the customer requirement. So if I'm the sales engineer, I go to the customer side. What's the requirement from the customer to check the leaking valve, something like that, because there is a valve maybe in the plant that are leaking. The valve is leaking, so we need to go to check what's the problem. Can we replace the valve to a new one, or can we repair the valve in order not to let the valve leak again, right? So this is the problem, the requirement. Then engineer observation and requirement. So after the visit, the sales engineer say that the valve can be repaired. So the service engineer need to go again, yeah? Engineer will go again to fix it, something like that. I mean, anything that they can write according to their requirement or according to their observations. Yeah, and time in, time out. So it's a very easy form. Yeah. So if let's say today I enter, okay, say 8 o'clock in the morning, then I can save. So the name will be my work the plan reference number 001-R1. Yeah, and then okay, once you save, you will see the timeout. So then you can change. Okay, say by default it's like 2 hours, but you can change the time. If let's say I only visit the plant for 1 hour, then I can change to 9 o'clock. So I go in 8 o'clock, I come out 9 o'clock. Yeah, so that can record the timing as well. So save again, done. So it's a very simple one, right? So only a few informations in here. But the problem, the key thing is you have to enter the customer, because the work plan is under the customer, same as the opportunity. You can see when you enter the work plan, you can also enter steam asset. Yeah, boiler house, boilers, feed tank, and steam headers, steam asset inventory, which is the same format as just now I show from the accounts. So there are two ways to enter the steam asset. It's either from accounts or either from work the plant. Yeah, but if you enter from work the plant, they will also push back under the customer because the work the plant is basically in a customer. Yeah. Do you have any questions on this?
Let's say walk the plan should be after account created.
Yes, correct. Yes, you need to have a custom account. Then once you create a custom account, you can enter the work the plant. Yes, same as opportunity, same as quotation. You need to have custom account, right, before you can actually create the opportunity or quote. Yeah. Okay. So okay, what else? We finished this already. Work the plant, Steam and Set Busy Report. Competitors. Okay, competitors basically nothing much. Competitor. But I want to ask, is competitor a standard entity in CRM or not? I cannot remember. Is competitor is a standard entity or customized entity? Yes,
Standard entity.
it's a standard entity in CRM.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Yeah, because I cannot remember because right now I don't have the chance to review the standard CRM system, so I cannot remember the concept. So I assume yes, because competitors should be a very common modules that all the companies should be using. So okay, so it's a standard entity. Okay, so okay, but okay, when you open competitor, it's just like this, yeah, name and the website. But if you open details, you can see a lot more details. Yeah, so if they can have the strengths and the weakness, then they can enter this. But okay, standard users in Thailand, they cannot enter they cannot enter competitor. They cannot create a new one. They need to come back to me, or I need to ask UK team to create the new competitor. Yeah, so it's not competitor does not allow the user to enter manually. Yeah, if they have new competitors, they have to let me know. Then I need to create a new competitors for the local country. Okay, so they don't have the access right to create new one. They only can review. They only can see the information. Okay, this is for competitor. Okay, when do we use competitor? We can. Okay, when you close opportunity as lost, right? Then you can choose the competitor. If you still remember, we can close opportunity as lost. So then you can choose a reason, say higher pricing compared to competitor. Then I can choose competitor. Yeah, in here, say I lost the order to this company. So I choose this, I close as lost. So it's a higher pricing because our price is higher. This company price is lower. So that the customer order from this company, not from us. Yeah, so this is the first scenario that we can use for a competitor. Then another one is under the customer account, we can also enter some competitors. Say for example, usually when we quote to this customer, these a few competitors will also participate for the tenders or for the project. For the bidding of the projects. Say what else? Yeah, Alpha. Say for example. Yeah. So yeah, it's just a link between the customer and the competitor, so that when other people open the customer account, they go to competitor, they can see. Usually when we do tender projects or when we do the quotations sent to this customer, usually these two companies will also send inquiry. Send the quotations. Yeah, so that we know that. But it's not critical. It's just the information. Yeah, so okay, so competitor is quite easy. It's just we can enter from here, or we can enter the competitor when we close the opportunity at lost. Okay. Yeah, so okay, competitor, we finished. Okay, the next one is multiple projects. Okay, multiple opportunities. Yes, so multiple opportunities, if you see, is under opportunities. Yeah, okay, here give you an example of multiple opportunity. Yeah, this one. So when they create the new multiple opportunities, so they can enter a name. Yeah, as usual, they can enter the name. It's compulsory. They can enter a close date for the project. They can enter who is the end user, right? Then this one you no need to worry about that. Project in all rights. I think this one means that is the owner owning the project or not, but it doesn't matter. I mean, you choose no, it's also okay. Yeah. So then, okay, nominated consultant. These two is you can choose from the. This one is from where? This one is from the account. This one also from the account. So these two is like nominated consultant, nominated contractors. Because when we do the project, maybe I need a consultant to advise for some of the things, and I also need the contractors to do some like construction work or something. So you can choose. But this drop down list is from the account. Yeah, you just need to highlight this one. You can open this, but the drop down list is from the account. Yeah. So okay. So then this one, okay. Okay, now here I can add all the opportunities I enter into this project. Yeah, you can see I added two different opportunities, right? This is actually a single opportunity, this value. Yeah, this value, and also then the second one is this value. So you can see the total currency. Currency, you have to choose where is the currency. Sorry. Sorry, let me check where is the currency. Currency have to change to. I change to Vietnamese dong. Sorry, give me a moment. Yeah. Okay, so you can see this the first opportunity is 38,000. This one 20,000. So total is 59. These two plus together. Estimated. So I know that this project total is this value with these two different opportunities. Sometimes can be like I quote to different companies, right? But for the same products. Sometimes can be one project. I have two different inquiries. The first inquiry is for the product A. The second inquiry is for product B. So then I can quote to two different. I mean, I can quote to the same company but for different scope, right? So it can be different scenarios. Yeah. Yeah, so I hope you understand. Okay, this is more from the business side. Yeah, this is more from the business side, like when we use the multiple projects, multiple opportunities. So if let's say they want to add in, okay, they can add existing opportunities from their list, or they can create a new opportunity from here. So either way, yeah. So they can create a new opportunity. So it's the same. They enter account, they enter all the informations. Estimated revenue, close date, then they save and close. Then they will have new ones. So all they can look for their existing opportunities. Then just adding. Let me choose one. Steam trap. Yeah, maybe this one. So yeah, so now you can see I have three. Sorry, this one is different currency, but by right Thailand should be all in Thai baht. Yeah. So then you can see, okay, this is what this is. Sorry, this is Malaysia ringgit. This is Vietnam dong. So I need to like recalculate. Yeah, so they're adding the 1,000 Malaysian ringgit to this. Yeah, this currency is this project currency. You can change accordingly. Say I think for Thailand it's Thai baht. Yeah. So if I change to Thai baht, then you can see a different currency as well. So it's 84,000 Thai baht for these three. Yeah. Okay. Okay. There's one thing I want to highlight. Okay. From here, you can see very clearly, right? What is the opportunity type for each one? What is the CVP type? What's the project is this project? Value, the stage. Yeah, I can see very clearly. So if they have score, you can also see that one. Yeah, you can see. But there is a one very important aspect I want to highlight is, do you want to include this value into the sales pipeline? These three I all choose yes. I can choose no, so this value will not include into here. You understand what I'm trying to say? Yeah. So here now is all yes, right? So it's 84,000 Thai baht. So if I change this one to no, you see what will happen. If I change this one to no, I save. Then I go back to the project. Okay, 84,000. So now is 84,000 is this three value 1, 2, 3. If I recalculate on this, I think they will reduce about 38. Maybe it's 40 something, 48, 46. Sorry, 34, because they reduced this value. Now this 34,000 is only the second one and the last one. Because I don't want to include this, because I know maybe this company will not get the order, but I still need to quote to this company as a so-called standard process as a requirement. But I only want to include the second one and the last one into this project as the total value. Is this clear to you, Bo?
Yes, it's clear.
Yeah.
For multi opportunity, there is no business process, right?
Sorry, there's no what? There's no business?
This business process, I mean state, no state.
Yes, no, yeah. It's just a place that we can put all the opportunity together as an overall project for the overall project review. Yeah, so when I open this, I know this is a Vietnam Nestle project. I see that the sales engineer has been working on these three opportunities. Total value is this, and the different stages like that. Yeah, I mean, it's not very critical to me. This is not so-called compulsory process the user need to use. Only when they have a big project, they can use that one. Yeah, and this one will not be in the test, will not be in the user assessment test. Yeah. So it's just a standard way that, I mean, it's just a different way that they can consolidate. I can say consolidate all the opportunities into one big bucket, right? Three opportunity is a small one. I just combine all the three into one big bucket. Yeah. Okay. So, but then social pay, other things they can do the same. But I don't, I don't expect the user to enter too many social pay into here. I mean the sales activities, because they should enter into the individual opportunities in here. Okay, is this clear? I mean, it's not difficult, but you need to explain to them when to use this and how to use this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, understand? Okay, good. Very good. They can also export to Excel. I mean, if they want to review this tree, they can export to Excel. Then it's just like the standard Excel form, right? So then they can just do whatever report they want to do. They can also show the score. If let's say this one got some score, they can also see. Yeah, if let's say I export this one, I see this one is only 35. This one is like 75. This one, okay, this one already won, so should be 100. Then I see, this one got higher chance. So the sales engineer may follow more closely with this customer, rather than this, because this one only 35. This one is 75. Yeah, so it's depending on the situation. Yeah, but they can see from one screen rather than they go to different places. Okay, so I close this one. Okay, what else? What else we need to discuss? Okay, the last one is a contact. Yeah, contact. Contact. I think you should know, but I think contact is just a standard one. Contact. You can have a different views here. My active contacts and all the active contacts for your business unit. You can see all the contacts, right? So if they want to create a new contacts, they can either go to here, enter all the information. But the customer account is important because it's a one-to-N relationship, right? One customer can have multiple contacts. So they can either enter from here or they can enter from a quick create from contacts in here. Yeah. So it's either from the main menu or from the quick create. So yeah. So you need to show to them both of the two ways how to create. Okay, but there are some customized field in our contact form, like the primary roles. It's just according to our business. I mean, what roles the contact person is doing in the company. Sometimes can be owner, sometimes can be maintenance, can be trainings, can be quality, project productions. Yeah, and this one is compulsory. Department, they can enter a free text. Purchase department, something like that. Yeah, so last name, first name. Okay, in Thailand, I understand in Thailand, you don't have last name, is it? You only have first name.
Yes.
Is that correct? Okay, so in that case, because you can see last name is compulsory. Yeah, because because for UK the last name is compulsory. So I'm not sure how do you want to tell the user, because if they just enter like this, then they cannot save. So maybe you can either say you enter this way, you enter this way, or you move the first name to last name. I'm not sure. You can see which one is better. Then you can tell the user in the training. Yeah. How do you normally do in Thailand, Bo? How do you do this? First name and last name.
I put first
Mm.
and last to the one column last name.
One column like this one.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. If you think this is okay, then but you have to just tell them because we have the last name as a compulsory, so that this one we enter into the last name. Yeah. So, but it's a little bit strange because you don't have last name, but you enter into last name in CRM. Yeah. So I just want to highlight this. Not a very critical one, but just to make sure that you know how to do the training for the user on this one. Yeah. Okay. So then other than that, okay, operation level, what is this? Okay. So it's just like this person has been in the company for how long? Sorry, no, this one is not, sorry, 3 to 5 years when tactical strategic operation. This one is okay. You don't need to expand on this. I think the sales process training, the first 2 days, the person will explain on this. Okay. Okay, for the contact information, they have email, they have mobile phone, right? And the business phone. So you can see this is not compulsory, but they need to enter at least one contact method before they can save. They cannot leave all the three as blank. They need to enter at least one. So either email or the mobile phone or business. You can see if I enter this like this, I cannot save. Let's see, I choose the customer first. I don't think I can save. Require field must be, sorry, not this one. Maintenance. Then they will ask you, provide at least one value, either email, business phone, or mobile phone. So at least one. You cannot leave all the three as blank. At least you have to enter one. Yeah. So like this. Then I can save. So then I can save. So although there's no compulsory sign, I mean the red color star in here, but from the backend, we have a business rule that to force the user to enter at least one contact message in a contact form. Yeah. Okay.
Contact will under on the account, right?
Yes, correct. Under account, yes, correct. It's a one-to-end relationship between account and contact.
But if we not have account, we can create the contact or not?
You cannot, because you cannot save. Yeah. Okay.
We will start with account entity.
Yes,
first.
correct. Yes, because the account is the master. Under the account, you can have multiple contact person.
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, good question. So I delete this one. Yeah. Okay. Contact. What else? Okay. In the opportunity, I want to highlight one point is in the opportunities, we can also add a contact person. I think it's in the summary. Yeah, here. If I remove this one, right, you can see this is blank. Like I only have the opportunity information, I only have the account information, but contact person is blank. So in the user assessment questions, there's one question say that please add the contact person and the contact person role into the opportunity. So what the user need to do is just to look for the contact person from this company, and just to add in. So once you're adding, the role will be automatically filled. Sorry, this one is not a good example. Yeah, once you're adding the contact, the role will automatically appear because this one is the contact form. It's not opportunity form. This is like what we call this is a quick view from other entities and show in different entities. Yeah. Okay. So once you're adding the contact person, then the role will show. They do not need to enter role from here because this operation primary role is from this contact person details, right? So if I open this contact person, you will see this operation is from this one. They should choose from here. If I change from here to like a process, I save this one. Then I go back to my opportunity. Which one? This one. Then this one change automatically, right? But they cannot change from here because these are all locked. This is not the opportunity form. This is the from the contact form. Okay. So yeah, so this is just one of the questions I want to highlight because a lot of people in the past, they do not know how to do this because the question is asking, please adding the contact person and the role into the opportunity. Then a lot of users do not know how to do it. So I just want to highlight on this point. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me check what else. This one content is okay. Let me just strike this one. Okay, 20 minutes. Okay, more for an hour. Oh, okay, still have a lot of things. Okay, sorry. Last time on Tuesday, I forgot to show one more one more functions is the how to attach a documents into the opportunity. So yeah, so if this is the opportunities, I want to attach a document. You can go to social pane and add the note. Yeah, not the post, but note. For the post, you cannot attach documents. For the note, you can attach documents. Yeah. So if you go to note, you can see the this one. Where is small one? Yeah, the documents add the attachment. So then I can look for my attachment. I can look for my folder. Can look for my folder, I can look for my documents, I can just attach documents. Yeah, so then I can also enter a name of the note, VAF picture, something like that. And here they can enter more details to be prepared. Here, I think Microsoft enhanced the function. They can change color as well. So, but you can just show. I mean, it's not it's not important for this one. It's just to show like Microsoft has some enhancement for this. So then you add note. So the attachment is here. Yeah. So in the user assessment, there will be a few questions. Ask the user to attach photos, attach documents, remove the attachment. So then you have to show this one in the training as well. Yeah, you can still edit the notes. If let's say you want to adding more information, you can add. Then you can save this one. And if you want to delete this one, you can remove this one. Yeah, you can remove this one. So okay, then they can open the documents, so you can remove this. Okay, then no more. Yeah, so you have to show them because this will be in the user assessment test. Okay. Any questions so far for this, for other functions? Okay, we are not using the cases and the goals, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, goals and the cases we are not using. Cases is more for customer service, so we have not used that yet. Okay. Any questions before I move to the next one? No?
Yes, can move. Yes.
Okay, yeah. Thanks. So, okay. On day 2, if you see the schedule, right? If you see the schedule will be doing day 2 is doing the mobile training, CI mobile, and also the Outlook. Outlook is basically, okay, have you have any experience on using the Outlook, the trainings? Yes, okay, so this is the Outlook, right? So when you open your Outlook, you will see the Dynamic 365 in here. So this is the icon that you can link. I can open CRM from here. I do not need to go to my browsers to, yeah. So you can see from here. Then I can go to different modules, right? Accounts. Then I can see, I can do a quick create. I can do a search. Yeah. So basically the menu is the same. Okay, so I'm not going to show this, but I will show you. Okay, I have prepared 2 documents for this. The mobile phone training, I will show you the documents. Where is it? Documents, Thailand. You can use these documents in the training. You can show on the screen and ask them to follow the steps. I believe for Thailand, they already download the mobile apps, Dynamic 365 for phone. Yeah, so this will be available for Android, for iPhone, iOS. Yeah, so you can ask them to download first. Then once they download, they can open. So just follow the steps. Click this one. Do not enter the email address in here, but just click the address, sign in with a web address, then they can copy the link. So we have 2 links, right? One is the test, one is the production. So in the training, maybe you want them to enter the test. Yeah, so they can just copy and paste to the mobile apps in here. Then they go to next. Then they can just go to next. Then they will see, okay, then they have to enter their username and a password, same as their Spiral Circle account. Yeah, so it's the same account. So you just ask them to enter, then they can sign in. This is only need to be done the first time. In future, they do not need to do again. Yeah, okay, once they log in now, they have to go to Core Sales Hub. Yeah, please highlight this one. Choose the Core Sales Hub. Once they choose this, they will go to the home page like the sales funnel. Yeah, I'm not sure if you know that Microsoft has changed the interface for the mobile apps. I think they recently upgraded the mobile apps to like more similar to the browsers. So it's basically almost the same. Yeah. So once they log in, they will see the sales funnel, and then you need to explain to them that this is the menu, this is the search, this is the quick create, this is a drop down for the dashboard, and the refresh button is below, and assistant is here. Yeah, we are not using the task flow, so you don't need to show this. Yeah, I have written a very detailed training documents in here, so you can refer to this. You can even use this document to show them. Yeah, so I think it's will be easier for you. Okay, then this one is to show how to open the dashboard list. Yeah, so it's a very easy one. And what is the, okay, when you open the menu, you will see all the menu, same module as the browser, right? So you just need to show them, when you open this, you will see all the different things. And I have highlighted here, I mean, what is the function for each button in here. Yeah, they can change the user, they can go to home, they can ping to the favorite list, they can open the reason, the historical record. If let's say they have seen the opportunities leads for the last 2 days, they can open. And here are all the modules. Yeah, offline mode we are not using, so in the settings is here. Okay, so I think this document is good for you to show and to explain. Yeah, but this document already shared to the users, so I think they can still read this menu in future if they forget the steps. Yeah, global search. Yeah, global search is on top. Then they can do the search. Yeah, similar to the PC. Okay, this one is the assistant. Okay, here, yeah, so it's, you can just show them. They will show the meeting. They will show the reminders for opportunity close in the next 14 days and other insights. Yeah, so you can just show them. How to do a quick create. Yeah, so it's the plus sign here, then open the menu, right? So it's the same. So then I also show some examples. Quick create for leads, quick create for appointments. Yeah, but they can try for different things. Yeah. So yeah, so that's all for the mobile. I think it should be quite straightforward, because once you have done the day one training for the browsers, this one is very similar. It's just on the mobile phone. Yeah, it's just like a smaller version of the browsers. Yeah, you can use this one to show on the screen and let the users to try, and you can walk around in the classroom and you can answer the questions to the users. Yeah. Okay. So this one later I will share to you. Okay. This one we finish. Any questions about mobile phone? No. Yes.
For mobile,
Mm.
the functionality that we going to provide to user.
Sorry, the functionalities provided to the user. What do you mean?
We have training about web client, right? And web client has more functionality, but in mobile, if you will provide all of functionality like create contact, account, opportunity, everything, right? Can do in mobile.
Yes, we can do. Yes. So whatever we can do in the browser, we can do in the mobile as well. Yes, you can do the same. Yeah. So maybe, Bob, in the training, maybe you want to show a little bit more in the mobile apps to say like how to open an opportunity, how to update the values, how to update the estimated revenues, estimated close date, something like that. Just do a 1 or 2 quick examples, but no need to go to details. Yeah. Is that okay for you? Because the menu is just to show the I will not say high level, but it's just the key steps for how to set up, how to log in, what is the purpose of each module. But it does not show the details. If I go to the accounts, if I go to opportunities, this document does not show the details, how to open and what does the opportunity form look like from the mobile phone. So this document does not provide. So maybe in the training you need to show a little bit. Do you have the software that can mirror your mobile phone into PC so that you can show your screen on the screen and then you can show to the users? Do you have such software that can mirror your mobile to the PC?
I have a mobile simulator.
Okay, Ken, I think will be better for you to just show, yeah? You can synchronize your mobile phone screen to the PC, then show on the projector. Then, yeah, so the user will be easy to follow. Okay, yeah, so this one already sent to you, here. Okay, Outlook. What do you call this? I don't think it's an Outlook apps, right? It's like an Outlook client or something like that. Yeah, so basically I have this video, so you do not need to basically do anything on this. You can just play the video. Sorry, can you hear the sound? Can you hear the sound? No. Okay, sorry. Let me. I think I need to switch on this. Sorry, let me check which one. Where is the one? Okay, I need to close this one first. I will reshare my screen again. Include system sound. Okay, so screen 2. Okay. So I have this video recording. I recorded last year, so you can just play the video. Hello everyone. Yeah, so this video is to show you how to use the Outlook CRM. Can you hear now the sound?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, plugin program to allow you to link directly your actual email to. But this one, sorry, this one is in English. So maybe when you play the video, if they don't understand, you have to explain in Thai. Yeah, in some point, because I speak English for this 30 minutes. CRM system. Okay, I'm not going to, sorry, I'm not going to play the full video. Later you can watch. In the training, you can just play this video and to show to the user. It's basically just to show how to use it. I mean, you can see I have all the process, how to open, how to link, and yeah, I can link the email to the CRM and they can just track. Yeah, so you can watch the video later. Then if any questions, you can let me know.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So I think I created this video will be very useful for you. So yeah, so in the training, you can just play the video. You let the user to watch for the 30 minutes. Then after that, you can ask them to try and ask questions. You can explain, yeah. So give you an easy way to do the training. Okay, so this one mark is complete. Okay, the last one, user assessment and the questions. Okay, I'll show you. This is important. This one will be on the day 3, right? So day 1, day 2 we finish. Then day 2 afternoon you will do the we will do the user practice, and the user will practice and ask questions to prepare the day 3 user assessment. Okay, so okay, I need to user training this, yeah. Okay, so day 1 you finish all the things. Okay, day 1 will be a very heavy one. I mean, you have a lot of things to discuss and to talk. Yeah, but then day 2 will be more relaxed because it's just the mobile and CRM, the Outlook. Yeah. So this is morning. Afternoon, then you let the user to do the practice, prepare the user assessment. Day 3 will be the user assessment for these 3 groups. Yeah. So okay. So how to do the user assessment? Let me show you this. Okay, but you need to ask them to sign this training record sheet for day 1 and day 2. This one you need to pass to maybe the GM or whoever. Then you need to ask them to sign. Yeah, 25th is day 1 for the user training. You need to ask all the people to sign. Okay, sign out. Okay, yeah. So you can just sign in and sign out. We start from 8:45 to 5. This is Thailand time. This is Thailand time. Okay, day 1. Okay, so this one will be, I write down the details. User training day 1 for this. Yeah, this is basically for the computer, for PC. Day 2, you can you need to ask them to sign as well. But for mobile, user practice. Yeah, 8:45. Okay, this one maybe not until 5. If they don't have many questions, they can finish early. Then you can release them. Yeah, but we will start from 8:45 as well. Thailand office, Spiral Cycle. Sorry, SXS is Spiral Cycle. Okay, so 26th of November, day 2 for this one. Again, we have 18 users. 18. Yeah. Sorry, this person is GM. This person is the director for Thailand, Tini. Okay, so the rest is, these are all Thai people. So you can speak Thai, you can speak anything. So I think it will be easy for you. Okay, let me close this. Okay, so to remember to let them sign this, and then you need to send us back a copy. Okay, user assessment. User assessment. The first document I want to show is the user assessment slides. You need to open this PPT during the user assessment. Yeah, this is to show the group. This is the rule. Yeah, you need to explain the rule to them before the user assessment, because the group 1 will be 9 o'clock, right? So before that, you need to explain to them. You want to translate this one to Thai, or you can just explain by reading this. Just using this. Okay, okay. You can read this one in English also, but if they don't understand, you can explain in Thai. Yeah. Okay, this one I think no need to explain. No talking, no discussion, no breaks. If they want to go to toilet, they can go, but only one person at a time. Turn off mobile phone. Do not do too fast and extra. Only do what the question says. Raise hand once you complete each question, so that you need to go to each person's screen to see. Yeah, if they already complete, then you have to see. If they're already done, then you give the score. Right? Passing is 70, 90% of the user pass, we go live. Okay, this one, how do you score? 5, 3, or 0? Okay. 5 means I show the question. They can do by themselves. You give 5. 3 means I show the question. They are not very sure. You remind them. And maybe you have to go to here and here to click. Then they can complete. You give 3. Okay. If I show the question, they cannot do, you remind them, hey, you have to go to here. They still cannot do. You have to give 0. Is this clear to you? How to give mark? 5, 3, and 0. 5 is they can do it by themselves. 3 is you remind them they can do. 0 is you remind them they still cannot do. Then 0. Yeah, you only give that 5, 3, or 0. You don't give 2, you don't give 4. You only give 5, 3, or 0. Yeah.
They will test the exam in the CRM sandbox, right?
In the sandbox, yes, correct. In the sandbox, yes. So in this user assessment, you may need to prepare 2 laptops. One laptop is to show the PPT. The other one, the laptop, you can maybe just put aside beside the first laptop to just record the score. Later I will show you the Excel file how to record the score. Yeah, ask them to prepare like 2 to 3 documents, because in the one of the question they need to attach documents. Yeah, system loading too long, then don't worry, because this will not delete their mark. So just to explain to them, I think for you this is important to understand how to give the mark. Okay, so yeah, this is like a sample questions. I think I have okay, this is slide 3 until slide 10, so it's about 8 slides. I think it's about 20 or 25 questions. Yeah, so this is part 1. You can see this is very easy, right? If they cannot log in, then if they cannot do this question, then I don't know what to say. Yeah, this one is 5 mark. Log into system. Then global search for the customer or other account. Update maximum. Okay, this need to be in the personal settings. They need to update their personal informations. Country, maximum number of records per page. Change currency and time zone. Yeah. This one you can. Yes.
I show the question, then user can do without any advice. Then we can give 5.
Yes. Correct. That's why I think for the user assessment, Miss Wu need to do together, because one person cannot do. I think 2 person will be better. So maybe 1 person you can in charge of 3 person, because we have 6, right? We have 6 person in one group. So maybe Paul you can do for these 3, and Miss Wu can do these 3 person. That will be easy. If not, then you have to do 6 person. You have to go to all the 6 person to check their screen, which is very troublesome. So you have to arrange. I mean, you have to see which one is better, how to do it. Yeah. Or maybe 1 person just check the screen and 1 person record the score and flash the PPT. Yeah, you can try to arrange that one, who is doing what. But I think 2 person will be better. So I think hope this is clear. Then yeah, then this one is you can just flash the PPT, create the leads, qualify the lead. Okay, you can see this one is very easy, right? They can just open leads, they can go to new to create. But this one, they need to know how to qualify. They have to go to convert stage, they have to enter one sales activities, they have to mark as complete, then they can qualify. A lot of people, they did not enter the sales activities and not mark as complete, so they cannot qualify. Sometimes I will give 0 because I already remind them, hey, you have to do something under social pain, but they still cannot qualify. Then I have to give 0. You can see that the question is very easy, very simple, but behind this, there are a few steps, a few process they have to complete before they can qualify. Yeah, so, okay. Filling the info, because once they qualify, then they will go to the opportunity form and then fill in all the information. You can go through these. I'm not going to go through all the details, but just to show you the slide. There are 3 different parts. The part 1 is the basic. The part 2 is the new business, means that create the new records. Yeah, and qualify and quantify. So you can see this one is like attach a proposal, social pay, and okay, this one already show the steps. So if they cannot do that, I have to give 0. Yeah, update quotation number, share the opportunity to one of the team members. So they have to go to share, right? And enter one of the sales team, then share. Answer the remaining questions to opportunity card. Yeah, remove the proposal. Advance to the stage of complete. They have to move from qualify to quantify and answer questions. Okay, so then they have to close as 1 and choose a reason. Yeah, you can understand the question. Choose only one of the three reason and a close. If they choose other reason, you will not give mark. So please make sure that they choose only these 3 reasons. Can be either one. That's why I narrow down to only the 3 reasons. Because when you close as 1, there are about 7 or sorry, I cannot remember, 9 or 10 reasons. So I only ask the user to choose these 3 reasons. Okay.
Okay.
Close as lost. Reopen. Close as lost. Choose one of the 2 reasons. And the last part is the existing business. Yeah. Find the list of accounts. So yeah, they can just go to the view to just open the customer account. Either the active account or all account to show the list. Select one account, any account. Update account information. So this information you can ask them to update, maybe fax number, phone number, or the address or anything. Okay. Track customer interactions. Okay. Use this account, create one appointment, create a phone call, then you give 5 mark. Should be easy, right? They go to accounts and they go to social pay. Use account, create the work the plan report. This one, not sure if I have shown you before. This one is under accounts, and under account there's a work the plan. Yeah, so they can create from here. Okay. This one, sorry. Use the account to create the work the plan report. Yeah, they can do from here. They can go to the accounts. They can go to work the plan tab, and they can create a new work the plan from here. Okay. Last question, create new opportunity. Use this account, create a new opportunity. So they should go to the, sorry, where is it? Yeah, they should go to the opportunity. Yeah, new opportunity from here. Because this is the existing business, means the customer is already in. I just need to add new opportunity from the account. The question indicate very clearly what you should do. You should not create a new opportunity from the opportunity entity, right? You should open this account and just add, okay? Add, this is the one I mentioned. A lot of people do not know how to do this. Add a contact and a role to the opportunity. It's just, you need to go to the opportunities and summary. Yeah, just need to click that one. So the role will be automatically show. Okay. These are the questions you can, after this session, you can review this. You can just read through this, understand the questions, because you need to understand how to do, right? So that you can see the screen from the users, then you can give mark. So please go through this. Any questions, please feel free to ask me. Yeah, during the maybe next 1 month or three weeks time. Okay, I close this one. Okay, this one is the score sheet. Sorry. What is this? Yeah, this one I need to copy to here. Okay, give me a moment. This one. This one is the score sheet. Okay. I split into 3 teams. Team 1 is the blue color. Team B is the green color. Team 3 is what is this color? Pink color or orange color? Okay, you can say this. Okay. So you don't enter score from here. You enter from here. Yeah, that's why I say you need to at least have 2 persons to do the user assessment. Yeah, if let's say you show the first question right on the PPT, so this person answer yes, then you give 5. This person okay 3. This person 0, like this. Once you update this, here will automatically update. Yeah, so then the total score will show. Because I have not complete, by right should be at least 70% of this. Total is 155, so 70% should be 155 times, sorry, I don't know, 155 times 0.7, about 108.5. So at least should reach that score, then the person can pass. Okay, but you don't enter any score from here. You enter all from the score sheet in here. Each question you need to do. That's why I don't want to do all the 18 people together. There will be very long list, right? That's why I split into 3 groups, 6 people. I think still manageable. Then you can enter the score. Yeah, it's a drop down list. You cannot enter. I don't think you can enter 2. Yeah, you cannot enter 2. You need to enter 0, 3, or 5 in here. Then for the new business, okay, new business will be longer because we have more questions. Yeah, so you have to go through one by one. Existing business, not many. I think this 3 plus 2 plus 1. Sorry, 3 plus 2 plus 2. Yeah, once you finish the group 1, you can hide this one. Then the second group will come in. Then you do this. Then you hide this. Then you do the last group in here. Right, will be more easy for you. So I hide this one. Yeah. So is that okay for you? Any questions on this? Yeah, just like this. You can just you can open. You can enter 0. Okay, you can enter 3. You can enter 5. Yeah, as long as 0, 3, or 5, then the drop-down list can recognize the value. Then you can save. Okay. Any questions on using this? I think it should be okay. Then after that, you will see all the people's score in here. Then if less than 70, this will be like training required. If more than 70, if let's say 144, they will say pass. Okay, the Excel already have the formula, so you just need to fill in the score in these 3 tabs. Yeah. Is this okay for you, Bo?
It's okay.
It's okay. Yeah. I already attached this score sheet in the meeting, so you can just review this one. Yeah. The only difficulties I feel is you have to manage all the 6 people. You have to walk around to see their screen, and then you go back to enter for each person, for each question. There are a lot of things to, I think there are a lot of column to enter, right? One person you can see here is already 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. Here got so many, so you have to manage this well in order to I mean finish this user assessment successfully. Okay, so I close this one. So for user assessment, I think basically is these 2 documents. So this is the DM1, so you don't need to worry. So only this PPT and this score sheet. Okay. For day 3. So if for day 3 you finish early, then you can go back early. But you have to send me a copy of this and send to the GM for the copy of the score. We need to review the score. If really someone fail, maybe we have to redo the user assessment again the next week. But I hope all the people can pass with your training. Yeah. Okay. So let me check what else. Okay, this one we discussed already. I mark as complete. Other questions? Okay, attendance sheet. Okay, can you help me to take some photos when you do the training? so that we can have some records. I mean, to show to the management, to show to the boss. We have done the training for Thailand. Yeah, can you help me to take some photo? Maybe Miss Wu can help to take photos and or something.
Yes.
Yeah, is that okay? Yeah, maybe day one you take about two photos, day two photos. The user assessment you take 1 or 2 photos. Yeah, so that would be great. Okay, I show you something before we end the call. This is for Vietnam. Vietnam also Navy World Vietnam. So I think they are doing quite good. Yeah, this is the user assessment. This is our Vietnam office. This lady also from Navy World Vietnam, right? So they're doing user assessment. I think the user assessment or training, mobile training. Yeah, mobile training. So yeah, she was showing the how to enter a contact. So all the people are following. Yeah, I think she also mirrored the mobile phone screen to the PC and show to the projector so that all the user can see and follow the instruction to do. Right. So yeah, just to show you something like this. So I expect you to do the same for Thailand. Yeah. This is a user. Yeah, you can see she showed the rules before. Okay, because for Vietnam we only have 7 people, so I split into 3% and 3%. Yeah, only 3% in one group. So then we also monitor the progress. So she walk around and to see their screen and give score. Yeah, so it's like this. Yeah, show the screen. I mean the same question, right? The same question. Then she walk around and to check their CRM and then go back to update the score. Yeah. So because Vietnam was in February, that time the COVID-19 already started. We cannot travel to Vietnam. So Vietnam is the first country we do remote implementation. Yeah. So yeah, just to show you some interesting one. And then they go live, I think they celebrate for CRM and go live on 26th February. CRM Vietnam, yeah, that was me and my team in Singapore, and yeah, okay. So just for information, yeah. Okay, so today is good. Okay, let me see. All the documents are here. This is mobile. But do you have the video for the? Do you have the video for the CRM Outlook? I think I did not send you this one, right? Okay, this one is the attendance sheet. You have to ask them to sign day 1, day 2. This is the score sheet for the assessment. This is the user assessment PPT. This is the training agenda. This is the mobile phone CRM mobile apps PDF document. Yeah. The video how can I share to you the video? I share I use the same way. I share to the SharePoint. Then you can retrieve from the SharePoint. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So okay, I have done all the training. I mean the knowledge transfer. Any questions so far?
No, we good.
You are good. Okay. How about Miss Wu? You have any questions to ask?
No, not now.
No? Okay, not now. Okay, very good. Okay, Miss Wu, when can I schedule a quick interview with you? I need to understand your knowledge and the CRM background as well. Can we do, I don't know if Monday you have time. Can we do now or you have some time? Maybe I just need 15 minutes or you want to do on Monday or Tuesday next week?
Monday is okay.
Monday is okay?
Yes.
Okay, let me
have time on that way.
Okay, Monday, let me check. Monday is 2nd November. Okay, Monday what time? Maybe 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
In the morning? Okay, I will send a meeting invite to you.
Yes.
And then we will just go through. Yeah, it's a very quick one. I just need to understand your experience, how many projects you have done. Are you strong in CRM or are you strong in ERPs or what experience you have? Yeah. So don't worry about that. I just need to understand those basic information from you. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Okay. So if no questions, I will end the call. Thank you very much. And okay, Boy and Miss Wu, if any questions after you review the document, you can let me know. You can send a WhatsApp to me. You can email me. I will be more than happy to answer your questions. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Yeah. Thanks.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye bye.